Welcome to Approved to Move. I'm Brittany, your lender with Homestar Financial.
And I'm Chelsea, your realtor with Magnolia Homestead Realty. Today, we are in southeast Ocala in a prime area, and we are so excited to show you this house. Come on in. Step inside and be greeted by the warmth of 3-inch oak hardwood floors throughout, complemented by recently remodeled bathrooms featuring neutral light tones.
The family room is bathed in natural light thanks to the French doors that lead to a large wood deck, perfect for enjoying the beautifully shaded backyard.
Located just minutes from downtown Ocala, you'll have easy access to amenities like the Fort King Tennis Courts, Veterans Park, and the Ocala Golf Course and Club.
This home has been thoughtfully updated with a new roof in 2018, HVAC system in 2017. The extra large inside laundry room provides plenty of space for your needs, with ample storage to keep everything organized.
Imagine yourself enjoying some front porch sitting, taking in the charm of the neighborhood.
And as an added bonus, a new camera system conveys with the home. Plus, the sellers are offering $3,500 towards closing costs or a rate buy down for the buyers.
Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to call 129 Southeast 31st Avenue, your new home. Contact me, Chelsea, with Magnolia Homestead Realty for more information.
Discover your dream home by contacting me, Brittany Thompson with Homestar, for all of your pre-approval options. Did you know that Ocala is one of the fastest growing cities in the nation right now?
So ask yourself, are you approved to move?
Thanks for watching Approved to Move.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get a notification every time we upload.
Have a great day.
Bye.